We'll guide you through how to convert an HEIF to a JPEG on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. And so we've got a HEIF file that I want to go and convert. On the I button in the middle at the bottom, it's got the leaf icon just because it's also a plant. We can go and look over to the right and it's an HEIF. Previously, this may have been an HEIC, but it's the same process to go and convert it. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. So what you want to do is with it open, you want to go and press the share button in the bottom left. Then you want to go and scroll down and find the option for save to files and press that there. Press back in the top left, keep pressing back till you get to browse and come into locations and find on my iPhone. Press the three dots in the top right and press new folder. And you can then name this what you want. I'm going to go and name this HEIF and tap on it and we'll go and press save and it's now saved there. Now you can come out of photos and we need to go and find that folder we just made in files. So let's open it up, press browse in the bottom right, and then you can come into your locations on my iPhone. Go and find the folder we just made. You can always search for it at the top. And here it is here. Now what you can do is go and tap and hold your finger on it. You want to go to the bottom and find quick actions and you'll find the option convert image and tap there. Choose the format, we'll do JPEG, that is the same as JPG. And you can choose the image size, I'll do original just to keep it the same. You could go and shrink it there. And as you can see, there it is. We can tap and hold our finger on it, press share, press save image, and I'll come back to our photos and we can swipe across and there it is. We've now converted it.